I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Mi10 Lite 5G device. The phone has the very good Snapdragon 765 processor. So let's check in this video how is the phone, what is the design and everything, and build quality. And also do subscribe to my channel, and also to check the links in description for the playlist for more in-depth reviews on other smartphones. So recently even I did unboxing and plenty of reviews on the Mi Note 10 Lite as well, and this is a Mi10 Lite and 5G version, and the namings are very confusing in the Mi brand. Now it became very difficult to remember most of the namings, friends. So this is a Mi Note 10 Lite, and when compared with the Note 10 Lite versus Mi 10 Lite, there is a huge difference in terms of every aspect. So I'll be mentioning all those in later on videos. So if you want to download this kind of good looking wallpapers in all of the punch holes, notch, or any kind of display, so try to check that playlist links in description for the wallpapers. So definitely hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to share my videos with your friends. So I'm trying to improve my subscriber count as soon as possible, so that I need to reach the milestone of 1 lakh or more than maybe 50,000, so that I can receive my review units. And all of these phones which I review in my channel are purchased with my own pocket money only. So regarding the pricing and everything, I'll be trying to do another video, but as a round figure, I will be saying as an Indian currency, it cost around 23,000 in the Indian rupees. So right now I'm in the Australia, so I have ordered through the eBay website. So definitely all those details I'll be trying to do in another video reviewing about the pricings of the phone. As you can see, friends, this is a Mi10 Lite, and which has a Snapdragon 765G processor, as you can see, and with 5G. So this is another good advantage with this mobile. This is my first mid-range segment 5G device. So there is a POCO F2 Pro, which is a higher end model of the 5G version, but this is a mid-range segment 5G version. So let's see what are the things we got in the box. Is there any transparent case or black color case? So I think it's a transparent one. The quality is normal, not that steady. With the POCO F2 Pro, I did got a little bit stronger and steady case. And in the box you do have the charger and the cable, and the charger is of not that good fast charging. It's just only 20-watt fast charger, as you can see. So these are the specifications regarding the display, processor, camera, and the battery. So these are the main pillars for the mobile phone, and they did mention all these things in the year itself, so which is very good thing, I can say. And this has got only 2 SIM cards. There is no micro SD card expansion as well in this variant Mi10 Lite. And I'll be doing in-depth reviews on the Mi10 Lite in terms of the display and everything. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So this is just an unboxing and initial specification reviews of the Mi10 Lite. And don't forget to check the links in description for more in-depth videos of the other smartphones. So there you can find plenty of useful videos. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.